Hi, Justin G8YTZ here, and a quick fix of how to repair a kitchen door where the hinge has become disattached and the woodwork won't take a screw anymore. Well, here's my fix for it. As you can see, it looks like a very neat repair, and this will last forever, well, as long as the carcass lasts. So what you get is these little sleeved M6 nuts. They're the sort of thing that you see in IKEA furniture, and of course they're available from Screwfix. Okay, so what you do is you drill the holes out right the way through, put a couple of these in. You can recess them if you want with a wood bit first, if you think the protrusion may be not okay in your case. So do that, and then what you do is you get a couple of M6 bolts, about 20 mil or so, or whatever the fitting size is, and you'll find they just about fit into these Blum type hinges, and you screw that in there and that will never ever come off. It's it's a nut and bolt basically, and that's worked really well. The lower one was a bit loose as well, and actually what I did there is I filled it full of glue. That one didn't need drilling through, but nevertheless, this kitchen is it's had quite a hard life actually. It's sort of 12 years old, and very good kitchen it is as well, but nevertheless that had come loose with age. Largely I think because of the racks here, putting heavy things in here has caused the door to sag a little bit. So pull this out, but anyway, that's my handy tip of the day. These are great little things. You can get them from Screwfix, and I think they're the 20 mil ones, and I actually used 19-inch rack mount screws, which were of the same colour as the hinge. So there's a handy tip how to fix a kitchen door.